This is seasoning cube.
Kitchen, sewing, lifestyle. We the shine every day. Oh, yeah.
Garlic.
Welcome everybody, come inside. Where the good vibes never hide. Cooking sweet and
Ginger.
love so bright. Sewing nice styles that feel just right. From the kitchen to the fashion line. Everything
Paprika.
we do, they shine. Simple living beauty every day. Tonia light will show the way. If you want good food, if you want nice style, if you want soft life, stay here.
Black pepper.
We laugh, we learn, we grow together. Any kind
Like black pepper. Add the curry, not too much. Thyme.
everybody come and know. Good food and lifestyle.
Olive oil.
Heart just glow. Tonia light love and beauty everywhere.
This is sauce.
Sewing tips and daily vibes. Happiness.
Potato, carrots, and chicken for dinner.
Potty boil aroma flying, new design and color shining. Every moment tells a story. Hard work now becoming glory. Morning sunshine, camera rolling. New ideas keep unfolding. Family love and inspiration.
I'm taking it to the oven.
One step at a time, we go rise and shine. No fear, no delay. Better days on the way. Cooking with passion, sewing with grace. Lifestyle beauty written on every face. Follow my page, don't pass me by. Like the video, let the love fly high. Share with your family, comment your mind. Tonia like teaching good vibes, you go find. Follow my page, support the dream. Gotta be go as a team.
Give it a try.
Means so much. Thank you for the love and touch. Tonia like kitchen, no. Everybody come and know. Good food and lifestyle make your heart just glow. Tonia like kitchen, yeah. Love and beauty everywhere. Sewing tips and daily vibes.
Very hot,
Happiness we
well cooked.
share.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.